So this is my fabric storage. This is also from Ikea. These are the John Axel, Jonaxel, and it consists of a frame, drawers, and a top. These are all separate pieces. There are two different drawers. One of them is a wider wire basket. I found that my fabric was like hanging out all over the place, didn't care for that. So I went with these. And one of the things that I love about them is you can take them out when you're working on things. Fabric folds up pretty well. I've got the larger pieces here and the skinnier pieces on the side. And what I really liked about them is the storage system also gave me a whole nother extra surface area here. Normally there's a computer over here. It's getting fixed. My spare lovely cover stitch and serger machine. Honestly, guys, I'm pretty intimidated by this thing. And anything else that I'm working on lives up in here. One thing I will tell you about them is that pretty much whenever you build large furniture in your studio, you're bound to have a plug behind it that you wish you had access to. So one of the things that I do in all of these places is you can buy extension cords that have a flat head on them so they don't stick out at the wall end. And this is one of those. And then I just plug in whatever I need by pulling this out.